Alright, so now I'm going to find a good suitable spot in this box to mount it. And I believe I'll just set it right here below our air ride control solenoid. So I'll position this in here, mark my holes to drill for the mounting screws. So I'm going to mount my solenoid, and just like I did on the air ride solenoid, I'm going to ground the solenoid right to the body of the valve. I've got my ground wire on this machine screw for the solenoid. Go ahead and tighten this down. Now for this power wire to the solenoid, I've already ran one to my second switch while we were doing the air ride, which I've got fed down right here. So all I need to do is make these wires together. Alright, now my wires are all connected. Alright, so I'm going to tap into my supply line from this solenoid to feed the bumper solenoid. First thing I'm going to need to do is deflate the air out of this air tank. Okay. Now I can safely cut this line. Add a T fitting in here. And the line to the new solenoid. Now I've got our supply ran. Now I'm going to run a line to our extend and retract ports of our solenoid to the front of the truck.